Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DA Solutions. In this video, we will explore one of most useful features in Zoho Books, locations. If you are managing multiple branches or stores or offices, this feature helps you keep everything organized from transactions to reports all in one place. Let's see how it works. To get started, go to settings and under organization settings you can see location. Here you can add your different branches or outlets, for example head office, Bangalore branch, Chennai branch, Hyderabad branch, etc. Click add location to create a new location and you can see two types of location. Business location represents your operational branches or offices, places where you conduct sales, billing, and accounting. On the other hand, warehouse only location represents your inventory storage points where goods are stored, received, and shipped. So here I am choosing business location. Enter the name, Bangalore branch, address, and all other details you want to track. So here I am adding the GST number. I am choosing the transaction series. You have the option to provide location access for the particular users also. Choose your users accordingly. Click on Save button to create a new location. Once saved, Zoho Books automatically lets you tag invoices, bills, and all transactions with that location. Now, while creating an invoice, so under Sales, click on New Invoice to create a invoice. You will notice a location field. Choose the correct branch and Zoho Books will tag these transactions under that location. It's perfect for tracking revenue and expenses separately for each branch. And the best part, you can also filter your reports by location. So if you want this profit and loss for a particular location, here I am choosing the date range as this year. Then if I run report, this is the whole report for the organization. As you can see the report. So if I want to filter particular location, click on filter. Choose the location is Bangalore. If I choose Bangalore, all the details which are tagged to this branch will be listing over here. So the profit and loss will filter to this particular branch. And that's how easy it is to manage multiple locations in Zoho Books. This feature is a game changer for business with multiple outlets or franchisees, helping you make data-driven decisions without any confusion. So I hope you understood about location. See you in the next video. Thank you.